orthodontic practice?
Well, it really fits in well, Chase, because number one, the appliance that's used for sleep apnea is an oral appliance. And my goodness, if an orthodontist doesn't know how to adjust and control an oral appliance, we better quit. So it's a perfect fit for an orthodontist. And then it has to do, your appliance has to be compatible with the occlusion. You can't cause problems with the joint. So you have the dental component with any kind of an oral appliance, and you need a dentist, So it's a perfect fit for an orthodontist. We've been using oral appliances all our life, and the oral appliance is very convenient and it works well with people. It really is an amazing device. It eliminates snoring right off the bat for sure, and with certain instructions, people are sleeping better with it. They're getting better oxygen through the night. So there's a lot of benefits.